Molweni bafundi, namkelekile eklasini yanamhlanje. Isifundo sesihlanu sesiXhosa. Hi students, welcome to today's class. Xhosa lesson 5. Molweni mama, niphila njani namhlanje? Molo tata, sikhona akukho nto, enkosi. Nina niphilile na? Sisaphila enkosi. Ndicela uncedo lwakho. Ingaba ndingasebenzisa imoto yakho ngomso? Abantwana bam bazocula esikolweni eKapa. Ndifuna kakhulu ukubamamela. Kulungile tata. Ungayithatha. Andiyifuni ngomso. Ndiya ecaweni elalini kodwa ndingahamba ngebhasi. Ingaba uqinisekile? Ndiqinisekile. Uzobuya nini? Ndibulela kakhulu mama. Ndicinga ukuba ndizobuya ngo-9 p.m. Kulungile. Lala kamnandi mama. Kamnandi tata. Sobonana ngomso. Molweni mama. Hello mother. In the plural, a more polite way or more honorific way to address someone. Niphilile njani namhlanje? How are you guys today? Molo tata. Hello father. Sir. Sikhona akukho nto. We are here, we are well. Akukho nto. There is no problem, there is nothing to worry about. Enkosi. Nina niphilile na? You guys, you plural, you are well? Question. Sisaphila enkosi. We are still well. Sisaphila. Thank you. Ndicela uncedo lwakho. I request, I want the help of you. Uncedo lwakho. Ingaba ndingasebenzisa, perhaps, or just a polite marker, ndingasebenzisa, I can use, sebenzisa, imoto yakho, the car of yours, tomorrow, ngomso. Abantwana bam, the children of me, my children, bazocula, they will sing, esikolweni, in the school, eKapa, in the Cape or in Cape Town. Ndifuna kakhulu, I really want, ukubamamela, to listen to them. Mamela, to listen. Kulungile tata. It's all right, father. Ungayithatha. You can take it. He is it, the car. Ungayithatha. Andiyifuni, I don't want it. Ngomso, tomorrow. Ndiya ecaweni, I'm going to church. Elalini, in the village. Kodwa, ndingahamba ngebhasi. But I can go by bus. Ngebhasi. Ingaba uqinisekile? Are you sure? Polite. Ndiqinisekile. I am sure. Uzobuya nini? You will return when? Ndibulela kakhulu, mama. I am grateful very much, mama. Ndicinga, I think that, ukuba. Ndizobuya, I will return, ngo-9 p.m. at 9 p.m. Kulungile. All right. Lala kamnandi, mama. Sleep nicely, mama. Kamnandi, tata. Goodbye, father. Sobonana ngomso. See you tomorrow. Ukucinga is to think. Ukucela is to request. Often you won't even translate this in English because we don't use this word as much as you would in Xhosa. But if you ask for something, you generally say that you request it. It's more polite to start that way. Kulala is to sleep. ukusebenzisa, to use. Notice the similarity with ukusebenza, to work, ukusebenzisa, to use, ukuthatha, take. Ukuba means that in a conjunction when you join two sentences. Ilali is a village. You can think of ukulala, to sleep, and ilali is the place where people sleep. They sleep in the village, ilali. Ikawe is church, it also means Sunday. And imoto, the car. How it works. In today's lesson, we're going to look at how you can use the nga to mean may I or can I, personal objects, some verbal extensions, and more emphatic pronouns. So as we saw in our conversation, this nga popped up in between the person and the verb, and it can be translated as may or can. So, ndinga kuneda, I may, ku is you, we'll see that in a bit, and then neda is help, neda. Can I help you? Ndinga kuneda, ndinga kuneda. Ndingahamba ngoku. Can I go now? May I go? Ndingahamba ngoku. Ndingangena. Can I come in? Ngena is to come in, to enter. Ndingangena. So the personal object for the second person pronoun, so you as an object, meaning I see you, I love you, I hear you, that you will be ku in the middle of the construction between the subject of the verb and the verb itself. So ndiya kutanda means I love you or I like you, and the ya is just the long form. Ndiya, the long form has to come right after the person. You can't have a pronoun or something in between these two. Ndiya, and then the pronoun ku, you, tanda. Uyanditanda, you, again the long form. Ndi, me. Tanda, do you love me? Uyanditanda. Ndiyakuva, va means to hear. Ndiyakuva, I hear you or I understand. Ndiyakuva. For the third person singular, it's a bit different to what we know from the subject pronouns. The object pronoun, I see him or I see her, it's just this which comes in between the subject and the verb. Uyamazi, azi was to know. Uyamazi, do you know him or her? In this case it's him. Ubuti one, my brother. Do you know my brother? Uyamazi ubuti one. Do you know him, my brother? Ndiyamazi, I know him. Ndiyamazi. Uyambona. Bona, see, do you see him or do you see her? Uyambona. Now we're going to just look at a few possible verbal extensions. Not that you need to learn these right now, but just to see what is possible with Xhosa verbs. So basically, we have the root verb bona, to see, and if we end the a in the end to isa, it's the so-called causative. It means to show, because bonisa literally means to make see, to make someone see, and in other words, to show. So this isa ending, you make someone do something, you cause them to do that. Bonisa, to show. Another possible ending would be this wa, bonwa, which is the passive ending, so it is seen. Ibonwa. Bonwa is seen, passive instead of active. We can do the same with funda. Ukufunda is to learn or to read. If we say fundisa, you make someone read or learn, so you teach them. Fundisa, to cause to learn, in other words, to teach. Fundwa, it is learned. Fundwa. We could say isiXhosa sifundwa apa. Xhosa is learned here. And then we could also have fundiswa. So fundisa, to teach. Fundiswa is taught. I could also say isiXhosa sifundiswa apa. Xhosa is taught here. Another possible verbal extension is this ela. And ela has two possible meanings. It either means for someone, for something, or it's at a place. So in this sense, I could say fundela, usifundelapi, where do you learn Xhosa? So where, at which place? This ela, it's a very common extension for verbs, and sometimes you can use both interchangeably, funda or fundela. Tenga, to buy, tengela, and then it could either mean you buy for someone or you buy at the place. You do the it's implied that what you're doing is done somewhere at a place. So yeah, ela. Then to go over the emphatic pronouns once more, we know mna, meaning me, as for myself, wena, you, as for yourself, yena, him or her, as for him, as for her, yena. And then we have the plural pronouns. Us is tina, ourselves, tina. Nina, you guys, and bona, them. So we could have, for instance, Nina, ninjani. You guys, how are you? Nina, ninjani. Bona, bahambile. Them, as for them, they left, they went. Bahambile. Conversation 2. Molo dadewethu, unjani? Molo mfowethu, ndiyaphila enkosi. Wena? Hayi, akukho nto enkosi. Ngubani igama lakho? Ngulindiwe igama lam. Wena? NdinguJonathan mna. Ndivuya ukukwazi. Nam ndivuya. Inene, usithetha kakuhle isiXhosa. Usifundiswa ngubani? Uxolo, andikuva kakuhle. Khawuphinde. Ndithe, usifundelephi isiXhosa? Oh, ndiqonda ngoku. Ndisifunde encwadini. Nyani, uyaqhoka. Hayi, andiqoki, nyani. Ndithanda kakhulu ukuthetha namaXhosa ngesiXhosa. Ndivuya ukuva loo nto. Kumnandi ukuncokola nawe bhuti. Enkosi sisi. Ndidinga ukuhamba ngoku. Ube nemini emnandi. Nawe ube nemini emnandi. Molo dadewethu. Hi sister. Unjani, how are you? Molo mfowethu. Hi brother. Ndiyaphila. I am well. Enkosi. Wena. Thank you. And you? Hi. Akukho nto enkosi. No, I'm fine. I am well. There is nothing to complain about. Thank you. Ngubani igama lakho? What is your name? Ngulindiwe igama lam. Wena? My name is Lindiwe. And you? NdinguJonathan mna. I'm Jonathan. Ndivuya ukukwazi. Pleased to meet you. I am glad to know you. Nam ndiyavuya. Me too, I am pleased. Inene, usithetha kakuhle isiXhosa. By the way, you speak it well isiXhosa. Usifundiswa ngubani. You, it, are taught. Ngubani, by whom? Who are you taught it by, or who teaches you it? Uxolo, andikuva kakuhle. I'm sorry, I don't hear you well. I don't understand well. Andikuva, I don't hear you well. Khawuphinde. Please repeat. This is a polite marker. Khawuphinde. Repeat. Ndithe usifundelephi isiXhosa. I said, you, it, learned at where? At which place did you learn it? isiXhosa. Oh, ndiqonda ngoku. Oh, I understand now. Ndisifunde encwadini. I learnt it in a book. Nyani, uyaxoka. Really, you are lying. Hayi, andixoki, nyani. No, I'm really not lying. I'm not lying, really. Ndithanda kakhulu. I really like ukuthetha, to speak namaXhosa ngesiXhosa, with Xhosa people in Xhosa. Ndivuya ukuva loo nto. I am glad to hear that thing. Kumnandi, it is nice. Ukuncokola, to chat with you, nawe, booty. Enkosi, sisi. Thanks, sister. Ndidinga ukuhamba ngoku. I must go now. Ube nemini emnandi. Have a nice day. Literally, be with a day that is nice. Ube nemini emnandi. Nawe ube nemini emnandi. You too have a nice day. Dadewethu is our sister. It's the traditional Xhosa for sister, even though you often use usisi and ubuti, taken from Afrikaans. You have the traditional words dadewethu, our sister, and mfowethu, our brother. Uxolo, sorry, it literally means peace. Uxolo. Ukupinda is to repeat. So we had kaupinde with an E at the end because it was in the subjunctive, because it's a polite request. Kaupinde. Ukupinda, to repeat. Ndite, I said. It comes from the irregular verb ti, T-H-I, ti. And in the past tense, ndite, I said. Incwadi is a book. I believe the original meaning of incwadi is it's the leaf of some plant, I forget the name. So it's an interesting etymological reference there. Ukuva is to hear, also to understand. If you say, I hear you, I understand. Nyani is true or really. Ukuxoka, to lie, in the sense of not telling the truth. Lonto, that thing. Lonto. Ncokola is to chat. Ukuncokola. Ukudinga, must, to have to. Ubena is the imperative of to be. So be with something, in other words, have something. Ubenemini, have a day. Ubenemini amnandi. Imini is the day or the afternoon. Imini. And then you get to match sentences. I'll just read the Xhosa. Usifundele isiXhosa empuma koloni. Masincokole kancinci. Ndifuna ukuncokola nabantwana bakho. Ndidinga ukuya emsebenzini. Ndizokubonisa imoto yam. Uyandiva na? Uxolo andiqondi. Andikuva. Ndifuna ukukufundisa isiXhosa. That's it for today. Enjoy learning Xhosa and see you next time.